Hello everyone, welcome back to Aashvi Things. I hope everyone is fine and I'm also good. So today I bring a new conversation video for you all guys so that you can see that video and learn something new, learn the way of talking. I may not perfect in this in that video, but at least you can learn from the native speakers. So this is a video for you all guys. So if you came here for the first time and haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe guys. Subscribe Aashvi Thinks YouTube channel and join my YouTube family. You are most welcome on this channel anytime. And if you love this video, please make sure hit the like button. You can also follow me on my other social platforms like Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. If it's a good video, you can also like this, you can comment, you can share this video with someone who wants to learn English, who is very passionate about learning English. So without any delay, let's get started.
Hey, I'm fine, thanks. How are you?
Wow, where are you from?
I'm from Wales. Do you know where Wales is?
No, I don't know.
It's in the United Kingdom. It's next to England. Oops, I can show you.
Yeah.
Yes, but it's like England, but different. And you, where are you from?
I'm from India, northern region of India, known as Rajasthan.
You guys have the best food.
Thanks a lot.
And what do you do?
For now, I'm studying.
Okay, what are you studying?
I'm studying zoology.
Ooh, amazing. Do you enjoy it? Do you like it?
Yes, I love it.
Okay. So how old are you? Is this at university or college?
I'm studying from home. I
Okay.
finished my college actually.
Nearly finished. Okay. That's exciting.
I want to go college for new course, but due to COVID, I'm studying from home now. And after that, a long time, I actually want to relax, not really
Yeah,
ready for
I
job.
think that's a very good idea. I think you need it.
Yeah. I want to focus on my interest, my personality development, my personal growth right now. Because as I have time for these things, right? And I'm exploring new area, new world right now with safety and distance. So, living my life.
Yeah, nice. That sounds great. Really good. So maybe you could have a year of traveling.
Yeah, you can say so.
Yeah, nice. So, why are you learning English? Is this for business or for personal growth?
I'm learning English for my personal growth, well, and I love this language. Also, it is really necessary, according to me personally, to know English for everyone to interact with the people of other countries, other types of people, and also because everyone is not aware with all languages, I guess. But English is a global language,
Yeah, so
so
it will help you socialize
definitely
as you
it will
travel.
help
That's
us.
really good. Okay, and how long have you been learning English? Because you speak really well, so good job.
Thank you. I'm learning English. Actually, I'm learning it from my childhood because English is the second most speaking language in my country. So I'm enough aware with this from my childhood. I want to strengthen my grip in this language. So I have been practicing it from lockdown. You can say I'm listening a lot of English and talk to native speaker because I think practicing is the best way to improve any skills.
Definitely, yeah, I agree. It's fine to read and to write, but the hardest part is speaking and conversation.
Definitely.
And well, so good job.
Thank you so much.
What city are you in? Do you see a lot of English tourists or English-speaking tourists?
In my city?
In your, yeah, where you live, do you see a lot of
No,
tourists?
because the tourist places are quite far from the place where I live, so definitely not. I usually don't get any tourists to talk with.
Amazing. Cool. So who do you live with?
I live with my parents, my siblings, and my beautiful niece. We live in a joint family together. And seriously, it's a great thing to live with your family. I realized these things during lockdown. So
Okay, that's really
yeah,
nice. Okay, great job.
because I never get time to be alone, and so I never get bored a lot at all.
So obviously you enjoy studying. Well, what else do you enjoy? What are your hobbies?
I'm a keen dancer. I love singing. I used to sing a lot, but not in front of someone else. And I am a big fan of swimming as well. Now tell me something about your place where you live, about Wales.
Yeah. So,
Yeah.
um, Wales is, at the moment, the weather is nice, but usually we have a reputation for a lot of rain, which isn't great,
Okay.
but
Mm.
it does make the country very green and very beautiful. So
Mm.
it is very mountainous. It's not flat
Wow.
like England. Well, it's a small country, but it is beautiful for its mountains. We are known for having different accents to the English, although my accent isn't strong at all. What else about Wales? I like it. That's probably the most important things about Wales, I think. And
Okay.
I'm about 4 hours from London, so it takes us 4 hours to get to London, only 1 or 2 hours to get into England. So we are very close.
Okay, so both are different countries, right?
Yes, exactly. Yes. Historically, so the history of Wales is that the Welsh people were in the UK first, um, and then I think it's the Saxons invaded, and so they started to take over the country, and that became England.
Okay.
So the Welsh culture is the older culture in the United Kingdom, but we are now the smaller culture. But it's all fine. I can show you a map. So I will show you a map in the United Kingdom so you can see where I mean. A little history lesson. Okay,
Wow.
here's a little
Interesting.
map, and you can see. Oh, this is terrible. So here is England. This is all the UK, but this is
Okay.
Wales. This is my country.
It's a beautiful tiny country.
Yeah, really small. Yeah, yeah, small but very nice. I like it.
Well, I can see that. So, what about the beaches of Wales? Like,
So we have coast all the way around,
okay.
and so surfing is sometimes popular, but because it's a little bit cold, it's not very, very popular, and our waves aren't massive. So yeah, but it is nice. It means we can surf and we can try. But usually people go away to surf.
So, nice to know that. So, how long you have been teaching on Cambly?
So on Cambly,
Yes,
I only started, I think, 3 weeks ago.
you're
Before
new.
that, I was teaching children on a different platform, which I still teach them on the weekends.
Okay,
So Monday to Friday, I teach adults. Saturday, Sunday, I teach children online. And before that, I was a teacher in France as well
nice.
for adults. And how about you? How long have you been using Cambly?
Actually, I have been using Cambly for 2-3 months now, and I meet with 4-5 Cambly teachers now, and they are from different country, different place, obviously, and I'm learning so many new things from them.
Yeah,
So I love
that's
that.
really good preparation because sometimes accents are the most difficult thing. Yeah, and usually do you just have conversation like this, or do you have courses and lessons? How
I'm not doing any specific course on Cambly. I like common conversation, and because it builds up my confidence, and that's
that's
the
nice.
thing I really need. Yeah, I haven't taken any special classes. I just doing it. I'm just doing it for myself and for my viewers so that they can learn something new from the people like you, and that's a great thing. That's why I'm on
Yeah,
Cambly.
yeah, yeah. The way you would use it normally anyway, so that's really good.
Thanks, my pleasure.
Okay, cool. So what else do you like? What other hobbies do you have?
I love traveling. I want to explore the world.
You are able to travel now. Here in Wales, we can't travel. We're still locked down. I must stay home.
Yeah,
What's it like for you at the moment?
except some places right now we can travel, but we have to use some safety and the social distancing also, otherwise we can travel, but not like before. Definitely we have to take
Yeah,
care of
yeah.
certain things.
You can go outside to exercise. Is that okay for you? Or?
Yes, we can do, but we have to wear mask all the
Ah,
time.
okay. So you must wear a mask if you go outside.
Yeah, that's something very important. We have to do so.
Here, they don't have that rule because we don't have enough masks, so people can go outside without the mask.
Okay.
So it's I live in the countryside, so it's not too crowded. It's not like a city, so it's okay. Yeah. Okay, so what else do you like? Do you like games or film and television?
I don't used to watch TV a lot, but I like movies. I like watching movies with the category of comedy, actions, and some scenes. Some senses, obviously, not nonsense movies, and some TV serials. I like them.
Ah, sounds good. Okay.
Earlier, I used to watch TV whole day.
That's what counts. That's what matters.
So,
Okay.
have you ever been in India?
No, I want to. I planned to with a friend, and she invited me to come with her, but that was last year, and then she got married, and then we are waiting for freedom so that we can do it. But
Okay.
yeah, it's difficult to plan. You know, life happens, but I would love to. I would really love to. It's the top of my list to go
Okay, so you love Indian food?
a lot. Yes. And you?
Obviously, I love it too. That's my favorite. So, is there any Indian restaurant, the place
Yeah,
you live?
actually where I live, so in my little village, I'm about 20 minutes away from our capital city. But even in our village, we have one restaurant. And it's only small, but it is incredible. Really good. It's my favorite place to eat. So that's the one in my village. And then in our city, there's probably, I think, about 4 or 5 restaurants, maybe more now.
That's nice to hear that.
What are you going to do tonight? Are you going to relax?
Yeah, of course. But before that, I need to complete some house chores. And after that, I'm going to relax.